Namaskaram everyone, welcome to another video and I am Ramesh. Here in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use 100 different famous ringtones for your mobile phone ringtone. Okay, so before we dive into this video, if you are new to my channel, please hit a subscribe button and please support. Okay, so let us dive into this video. To download or to use 100 different famous ringtones, you need to go to Play Store and here you need to install this app called Top 100 Ringtones. Okay, so you need to install this app. So once you install this app, just open this app. Okay, here click on Start and give access to this app. Just click on Allow and then permission required, click on OK, and then you need to allow this modify system settings. Okay, you need to turn on this. So once you turn on, just go back. So here you can see different ringtones for your mobile phone. Okay, so these are 100 different ringtones you can use for your mobile phone. Okay, so you can see here there are different and very famous ringtones. Okay, it includes Hollywood, some you can see Game of Thrones ringtone. Okay, and GTA San Andreas, you can see Alan Walker Faded, AR Rahman Best Tone, Barbie Girl. So these are different very very interesting ringtones you can find in this app. Okay, guys, I don't want to play any of these ringtones because it will have a copyright strike on my video. Okay, so I'm not going to play this. Just go and check it out. These are very famous and very interesting ringtones you can have for your mobile phone. So to set any music for your ringtone, just click on these three dots and then click on set ringtone. Okay, here you can see option, or else you can also set for notification and also set for alarm or set to contact. Okay, if you just click on set ringtone, it will be set for ringtone. Okay, it's very simple and very useful app for your mobile phone ringtone. Okay, so that is all in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like for this video and also please make sure to subscribe my channel. And if you have any comments, please comment in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, have a great and fantastic day. Namaskaram.